The Thorlabs Cerna Microscope Kit 4 is designed for epi-fluorescence, reflected light, and brightfield imaging. To maximize the working room around the optical path, this microscope uses a 400mm tall body that has a throat depth of 7.74 inches. The dovetail surface on the vertical support rail holds modules in the optical path, such as our brightfield illumination module, condenser, and objective holder for 5 objectives. The rotating quintuple objective holder is ideal for applications that require multiple low and high magnification objectives. The microscope's trinoculars include 10x eyepieces and a 1x magnification camera tube with C-mount threads for industry-standard cameras. The microscope's trinoculars feature adjustable focus and interpupil distance. A knob on the side directs the light to the camera or to the eyepieces. The epi-illuminator holds up to 6 filter sets at once, letting you target multiple fluorophores just by rotating the turret. A built-in iris adjusts the illumination at the sample, and the field stop on the side of the module conditions the light from the epi-illumination source. User-provided illumination sources can be attached by the D3T dovetail at the rear, or by using the 60mm cage system mounts behind the dovetail. Additional detectors or sources can be incorporated into your beam path through a side port which points to a dichroic mirror mount. The motorized objective and condenser arms each provide 1 inch of travel along Z. A knob on the top of the controller adjusts the speed from fast, coarse movements to microstepping for fine, focusing adjustments. Each knob can be put into standby mode at the touch of a button, protecting your aligned setup against accidental nudges of the controller. The trans-illumination module is mounted below the condenser for brightfield imaging. A knob on the front opens and closes an integrated iris, and a white light LED provides the illumination. To start imaging with the Cerna Microscope Kit 4, simply add an epi-illumination source, camera, filters, and objective.